Welcome to my presentation. Practical number 3. Myself Rakesh Sukhdev Dehre. Roll number 21004. Subject Housekeeping Operation Pulse. Standard Study BSc in Hospitality Studies. Introduction to Guest Room Supplies. Aim to know about the various type of guest room supplies with their replacements. Objective: first, guest room amenities in standard room. Second, guest room amenities in VIP rooms. Third, guest room supplies in standard room. Fourth, guest room supplies in VIP rooms. First, guest room amenities in standard room. First, bedrooms. Quality pins, tissue sachet, flowers, waters, business kit, pins, disposable slippers. Bathroom. Bathroom amenities: bath gels, bath salts, body lotion, body moisturizer, shower cap, shampoos, hair conditioner, dental kit, and soaps. In addition to standard guest room amenities, VIP rooms. Bedroom amenities: biscuit platter, free snacks and beverages, shoe meat, and magazines. Bathroom amenities: loofah pad, grooming kit, cutter comb, nail cutter comb, sanitary napkin, shaving kit. Next, guest room supplies is standard room in bedroom. Behind the door, a do not disturb card. A reserve of maybe please make up my room card. Room roads. The different kind of room different of offered in a frame. A, a detailed map of fire exits is identically affixed to a notice remaining guest of the safe deposit facilities at cashier desk. At the writing table, a guest stationery folder with pen and pencils alongside 10 card giving information about the special events and shows in hotel, and ashtray. Hotel bro and brochures. A waste paper basket next to writing table. A chair with desk. A chair with backrest. On the bedside table, telephone and service directory. A notepad and pencil beside phone. An ashtray and matchbox. Breakfast knob card. Pillow menu card with various type of pillows offered by the hotel. Local telephone diary dictionary. A channel music phonel may be affixed a bed, side lamps, a good night kit containing air plus, iPad, two 500 ml water bottles on coasters. On the coffee table, a ashtray and watch on matchbox, house magazine or tourist magazine, and answer paper. Room service menu card. In the drawer and cupboard, laundry bags and glister laundry facilities. Clothes clothes hanger, a fragrance sachet hanger. Guest room shape is usually affixed a care grooming kit below the luggage. Rack and shoe meat or shoe kit. At the dressing table, an upholstered stool under the dressing table. A mirror is mounted on the wall. Comb brushes are placed in drawer. On the bed, a mattress with the mattress protector. Bed sheets, night spread pillow, blankets, bed spreads. In the television cabinet, satellite network remote control. In the minibar, mineral water bottles, ice trays, beverages such as liquor, mature beer cans of orphans, and soft drinks. Lemon wedges, snacks like biscuit, chocolate as assorted, nuts, cabbages basis. On the minibar, a tray with tea bags, sachet on coffee powder, milk powder, sugar, a, a couple a saucers cup and spoons, a, a kettle oral and coffee maker, and ice buckets in the bathroom, and full length mirror at the entrance. In the bathroom, a full length mirror at the entrance, a bathtub and a bath mat, a water closet, a tissue holder with a tissue roll affixed to a thin wall, small miniature indoor plant. On or near vanity counter, monogrammed soaps, shampoo bottles, moisturizers, aftershave lotion and bath gels, shower caps, Garrett glasses, tissue box, razor plates, dental kits and shaving kits. A mirror mounted on the wall, the appropriate lighting facility, a shining beside the WC. On the on the towel rack, bath towel and bath sheets on the towel rack, and hand towels and hand face towels, wash clothes, a bath mats. In addition to standard guest room supplies a VIP room set, extra floor platter, loofah, saving floor arrangement, towel or according to type of VIP. A, a Bible, Gita, Quran must be placed in drawer. A letter of greeting, wishing guests special holidays or birthdays. A yoga kit,